Alright, today we're going to solve this inequality by graphing. You ready? Let's go. The first thing we have to do is solve for y. So let's do that. We take this 4x and we go minus 4x, and whatever we do to one side, we do to the other side. So we have negative 5y is less than or equal to negative 4x plus 5. What do we do now? We divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. And whenever we divide by a negative, what happens to our inequality sign? We flip that thing. So it was less than, now it's greater than or equal to. A negative and a negative is a positive 4 over 5x, and a positive and a negative is a negative 1. So now that we have our inequality, we can go ahead and graph it. So let's go ahead and do that. I always like to start with our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is negative 1. We can find negative 1 right there. Let's go ahead and plot it. And then we have our slope of 4 over 5. So it's rise over run. So we go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to put our line. But when we do our line, is our line solid or dotted? Well, we can tell by looking at this line right here that says it's or equal to, our line is solid. So if our line is here, that means it's a solid line here. Let's go ahead and graph our line. Put our arrows because the line goes on forever. And then we're almost done, but it's an inequality, which means it's greater than or equal to. So if y is greater than, are we going to shade on this side or on this side? Well, y is greater, so we shade on this side. So let's go ahead and do that. Got it? Now, you might be saying, Michael, I'm not sure if I should shade on here, on this side or on this side. Well, you can easily check. Let's take any point in here and plug it into our inequality statement. I always like to use the origin because that's the easiest if it's available. So let's go ahead and put in 0, 0. So if y is 0 and x is 0, is this a true statement? Well, let's see. So 0 is greater than or equal to, anything times 0 is 0, so we're just left with negative 1. So is 0 greater than or equal to negative 1? Yes. So that's a true statement. Did you get all that? I hope so. If not, go ahead and rewind. Thank you for flying Algebros Airlines. We will catch you next time.